Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a detailed start till finish wash day hair routine for little Miss Nadia. I'm going to be showing you how I get her hair from this to this. A lot of you guys have been sending me messages asking me how I'm able to moisturize and detangle baby Nadia's hair. Aloe vera has become the most important part of our hair routine. So in this video, I will be showing you step by step how I'm able to use the aloe vera to not only detangle baby Nadia's hair, but to also make the oil treatments for her hair and her scalp to help her hair grow. Okay, family, let's get started here. As you can see, I have my fresh aloe vera here. A lot of you guys have been asking me where I get my aloe vera from. You can get these fresh aloe veras from most grocery stores, including Kroger, Walmart, and a lot of other local grocery stores. As for me, I usually get mine from a Hispanic store that is close to my house. This particular aloe vera I've actually had in the refrigerator for about a week. It doesn't go bad really quick. You can actually have this for about 3 weeks to a month. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut my aloe vera into small pieces, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to then take the aloe vera and split it into 2 separate pieces. That way it's easy to scoop out the aloe vera and put it in a cup or a bowl. So that is just what I'm doing here. Using this clear bowl so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, but you can use any cup or any bowl. So I'm scooping out the aloe vera, making sure to get everything out so that I don't waste it. Also, a lot of you guys ask me what I do with the part, like the green part. I don't know what that's called. My mom uses it for her medicine. I will be sure to ask her what she uses them for, and then I'll let you guys know in the next video. Okay, so after scooping everything out, I'm not going to blend it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a sifter to sift the aloe vera juice. So I like to squeeze it with my hands just to make sure that I create a lot of juice so that it's easy to sift out. Also, when you put the aloe vera in the sifter, if you let it sit there for a few minutes, all the juice comes out. But if you're in a rush, then you can squeeze it. But if you really want to get all the juice out, just place the aloe vera in the sifter and let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes and all the juice comes out. And a lot of you guys ask me if I add water to my aloe vera juice. The answer to that is no. I don't add any water. The thing with the aloe vera is, although it is slippery at first, if you let it sit for a few minutes, it becomes more watery than slippery. That is how you're able to spray it onto your hair. You do not need to add water to it. Okay, so after I let it sit for a while, I'm going to then take this spray bottle, use my funnel to get the aloe vera juice into the funnel so that I can be able to spray it. Okay, family, let's move on to the making of the oil. I have my pot on the stove. I have the stove on medium. I'm just going to go ahead and add my ingredients. You can see here I have my organic coconut oil. I also have my olive oil. I'm going to add them both to the pot and let it sit here for about 10 minutes. And if I forgot to tell you guys, this is the exact same process that I would use for my hair to make the aloe vera oil and detangler for my hair and my daughter's hair. So the process applied to an adult hair as well. I'm going to then take the strainer again, strain the oil out, Then put it in this small little container so it's easy to use for my daughter's hair. Okay, so now moving on to the fun part. This is baby Nadia's hair. She has it in small little rubber bands because I found that the braids hurt a little bit. But the rubber bands are easy to just cut with the scissors and it doesn't hurt her at all. And to be honest, Nadia is very tender-headed because as you can see, again, she has a lot of hair and it gets a little dry, which makes it hard to comb or style. But the aloe vera has come in very handy because it makes detangling very, very easy. You will see here that the whole time I'm combing and detangling her hair, she does not cry at all because the slipperiness of the aloe vera makes it easy for the comb to glide right through her hair. And I'm also able to then use the brush to detangle her hair. And look how easy this is. The brush goes right through her hair as if I'm not even combing or brushing it. And she just sits there and plays. This has honestly been a lifesaver for me and my daughter's hair. I'm just doing the same process, combing it out and then brushing it out to further define it. So for those of you who wanted to know what shampoo I use for my baby's hair, I use the Aveeno Baby. This is both for body and for hair. So this time I'm actually going to wash the aloe vera out because I used it as a detangler and not as a leave-in conditioner this time. So after I wash it out, I'm going to use the rubber band and this comb to style her hair. Now I'm going to use the oil to oil her scalp and her hair, making sure to get her scalp really well and get the ends of her hair as well. This treatment has been very helpful for baby Nadia's hair because I believe that it is really helping not only grow her hair healthy, but also thick as well. And it also makes the wash day process very easy. So I'm just going to use this rubber band to style her hair. As I said, it's easy for me to use the rubber band to style her hair because I can just cut it out if it's too tight, or I can cut it out once it's time to wash her hair again. And for those of you guys who were asking how often I do this, I like to do this once a week, but I can do it up to twice a week depending on what the weather is. It is currently winter time, so I prefer to do it once a week. Her hair gets dry really quick, so I prefer to do it once a week. That way I'm not over processing her hair, and that way I'm also not letting her hair go too long without washing and moisturizing. Okay guys, we are all done. As you saw, this was an easy wash day routine. There was no tears involved. Baby Nadia played the whole time. It was a really easy process. So I encourage you guys to try it out for not only your kids' hair, but for your hair and your sons and husband's hair as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you'll join the family, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video again. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.